So, mga mag-a-apply ng Korea visa dyan, this video is for you. My important update ng KVAC. So, effective February 20, 2026. Ang good news ito for all visa applicants. Yes, you heard it right. So, first guys, na hindi na required ang 3 months bank statements for all types of visa applications. Yes, wave na siya guys. So, mas less hassle and less paperwork for us. And second naman guys, para naman sa mga students, mas pinadali na rin. So, dati kailangan original school certificate and copy of student ID. Ngayon, pwede na kahit isa lang. Okay? So, either original school certificate or copy of student ID. Ikaw na ang bahala doon, guys. Okay? Kung ano mas convenient sa'yo. So, third, if group or family kayo, okay, like my invitation letter or family documents, 1 copy na lang ang kailangang i-submit. I-attach na lang siya sa representative applicant's files. Tipid sa print, tipid sa effort, okay? So lastly, okay, so for employment documents naman, if walang landline or electronic signature and document na hindi na kailangan guys na explanation letter as long as may reachable contact information like email or mobile number, accepted na. Okay? So, ayan, guys. So, that's the update. Mas simple, mas convenient, mas pinaganda para sa atin. Okay? So, if you're planning to visit Korea, guys, this is your sign na. Okay? So, yes, annyeong. And don't forget to use my travel discount codes. Bye! This has been Coco. Woo! Annyeong!